Hey everybody, this is Stephanie. I am in my basement and we decided to take the unfinished part and sort of separate it out. So we bought these shower curtains actually. We bought shower curtains and they do have the hooks up here. The shower curtains, I believe. I think these hooks did come with the shower curtains itself. So we bought these shower curtains and you really can't see through them, right? You can't see the back. So we actually put this all up like this, and so it separates the part of the of the downstairs in the basement that we don't want anyone to see. So we have it like this so you can actually see the so you can't see through it, and that's the best part about this whole thing. So it's inexpensive. They're shower curtains, and you put them up there and we're using it as a divider actually, but that's what they are. They're really shower curtains. You could use them in the shower, but you can really tell that you can't see through them. So these are great, a good choice for a DIY thing that we did.